me be honest with you, endlessly Googling, guessing, searching, and jumping from product to product isn't helping. It is actually hurting. It's draining your time, your money, and your peace of mind. What you actually need is strategy. And without one, you will stay stuck in the same cycle, being frustrated and still breaking out. I know this because I did it for 9 long years. I was trying new products, switching diets, reading blogs, watching influencers, but literally nothing stuck, nothing healed. It was just more confusion and more breakout. It wasn't until I stopped relying on what I could piece together on the internet and I started actually working with someone who understood my body and could help me actually heal. Basically, I could have healed my acne in 5 months instead of wasting 9 years of guessing. So by the end of this video, you will walk away with clarity concerning your acne healing journey, tools to stop second guessing yourself, and then the mindset shift that is actually needed to start getting real results. Let's dive in. Alrighty, so wherever you are at in your acne healing journey, whether that's the beginning or the middle, it is vitally important that you have clarity and that you have a full understanding of what your root causes are of the acne. And a way to get there is through understanding and having clarity over your symptoms and over what has worked and what hasn't. And so this is a great little exercise that I like to do with anybody that I'm working with to help them figure out what are the best next steps. So if you have a journal, a piece of paper, get it out. And what you want to do is you want to split that piece of paper into 3 columns. And at the top of each column, you want to label one column as symptoms, the next column, label it as what you have tried, and then your last column, it's what you're still confused about. And so next, what you want to do is you want to write it all out. You want to write out what you've tried, what didn't work, what actually helped, and then also what you are still unsure about. And again, this is just powerful because it's giving you the clarity that you need in order to make the next best steps for your acne healing journey. Now let's go deeper. So take all of your answers that you gathered from the exercise beforehand, and now you want to match those symptoms to the 5 essential foundations for clear skin. And for time's sake, I break down all 5 of the foundations and give you a thorough list of the symptoms for each of the foundations that you can match them to in this free guide that I created. This free guide is actually called the No-Pill Acne Solution, Healing Your Skin Naturally. Inside this guide, I provide you with over 70 solutions that you can try out today to get started on healing your skin. I challenge you to pick one solution to try this week that you haven't tried before. Click the link in the description to grab your free copy or comment skin and I will send it to you directly. Now let's move on to the mindset shift. And this was something that was very paramount for me because I realized that I was doing a lot of do-it-yourself type of searching and, picking and choosing different things. And honestly, I was just information overload and I was lacking results, but I just had a lot of information. And so what I would suggest to you is that you pick one mentor, one expert, and you mute the rest. Healing requires clarity and not crowds. And so it is best to stick to one person who you can trust and that their information is feeding you and actually helping you. That's exactly what I did. Is I found a naturopathic doctor who could help me, and that is exactly what he did. And as we all know, time is your most valuable resource. I wasted really 9 years trying to heal my acne all by myself. And it was mainly because the experts that I was choosing to follow at the time, they pointed me in the wrong direction. And because they pointed me in the wrong direction, I was more determined to do it all by myself. But I just want to tell you that you don't have to do it alone. Therefore, I would love to welcome you into my 5-month coaching program called the Clear Skin Blueprint. Within this program, we are working together to heal your skin. And so it is very personalized, it's science-backed, it also includes functional lab testing. All of this is designed to help you uncover the root causes of your acne. Together, we will create a healing strategy that is just for you. If you are interested, check out the link below for the application. And if you missed the last video in this series, I share with you the exact things that finally healed my skin after struggling with acne for 9 long years. If you are interested, watch that video now.